Here's where we haul our hay back from. We cut up 2 cantaloupes and a watermelon. We threw the rinds out here by the hay trailer, hoping to get birds and animals eating it. You can see the rinds and stuff right there. See them? And I put my camera over here on the trailer. You can see it right there, where it's looking right down there at the rinds and things. Maybe we'll get some animals and stuff, okay? Oops, that's me opening up the camera. It takes pictures while you're doing it, so. There's our first video. Look at that little fox. He's looking around trying to decide if he wants to get into that watermelon and cantaloupe. Should I? Maybe anybody looking? Let's see. Cantaloupe, watermelon. Which one should I try first? Look at the long tail on that little fox. Oh, anybody looking? Well, I don't know. He's still trying to make up his mind, I think. I'm coming back. I think I will get some of that. Yeah, here we go. Cantaloupe's good. So is a watermelon. Well, more? Nah, I think it's breakfast time is over. We'll come back later and get some more. Anybody looking at me though? Yep, he's gone. Sometimes you get some good photos like that and videos. There was a bird flew by. There's a deer. Look at there, a little doe. She's thinking, I smell it. I think I'll stick with these weeds and flowers. Well, what is it? I smell it. I don't think so. I don't know. No. Think not. Maybe later. Maybe you'll put a hamburger out there for me later. Oops, there goes my grandson in the back, gonna go shoot some hogs. Sure hope they get them. A lot of wild hogs back there. Squeaky, isn't he? Oh, look at that, and I see the rear end of something running away there in the dark. I'm not sure what that was, but I think it might have been a deer. It is dark. That's about 10:30 at night. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.